So we've just shot the 60-second film school promo video. Quite a simple setup in many ways, but the key thing was to light it. So we've used a couple of light panels Geminis, which are these amazing 2x1 panels, really lovely and soft, but also bi-colour. They've got colour modes, and we've done a bit of colour separation by having one on daylight, one on tungsten. So we've sort of mimicked the light that you'd get inside a pub from light bulbs, natural sources, and we then have the daylight over there. We're then using light panels Solar 9, which is giving us a nice hard light through there, which we've used some aerosol atmosphere haze to really pick up the light there. And then the only other thing we used was a small little light panels ENG light, just as a catch light on Ben.